In today's tutorial, we are going to review how to add layer styles to the different layers. In the example, I already have 3 different layers with the 3 images I have. I can double click layer 1, and when by double click, I have some layer style options. For the first example, I'm going to use a stroke, which would be an outline. I can adjust the opacity. I can adjust the size or the thickness of the stroke. And I can also adjust the color. In this example, I can double click color, but maybe I want to use the eyedropper over here and maybe make the border a very nice peach that would go right along with it, and I can click OK. I'm going to click layer 2, double click it, and this time I want to add a drop shadow. So at the bottom I can click drop shadow, and then when I click the plus, I also have some other options that I could do. I can adjust the color of the drop shadow. Again, I can click inside there and maybe add a drop shadow for that part of the pier. I can adjust the opacity of the drop shadow, the distance, maybe how thick it is, and the size. And once I have that right, I can click OK to apply. Finally, on the pelican, I'm going to click layer 3, double click, and for this one maybe I want to do a inner shadow. Again, I can click inner shadow, click a plus to get more options. So in this case, instead of it being a drop shadow, it's going to be an inner shadow. And again, you can work with the color and the size, and when you have that right, you can click OK and then save it at the end.